Commodore 64 will never die.
Time to snoop on some discs. Get ready. Go.
The bar is now in yellow. In a like manner, you can change the bar to any of the other colors indicated on the number keys.
Commodore 64, one of the original home computers, but there's a lot of life left in that old machine. New software titles still coming out for what is still a very large installed user base.
It provides a real good hardware bed for software writers because they can take a software development cost and amortize it across these millions of units. The result is you get a lot of good software at a very affordable price.
Sweet. Oh, get the Wordle out.
Alright, let's check out the inside. What's in the box. It'll get bigger and bigger as we go. Oh, this guy got everything.
P64 screensaver.
Ah.
If you want crazy things to happen, try 1, CHRN, 1, asterisk 100, go 1.
Please leave a comment, follow, like and share.
Commodore 64 will never die.